The ratio of the measures of two complementary angles is 4 to 5. The smallest measure is increased by 10%. By what percent must the larger measure be decreased so that the two angles remain complementary? So suppose the suppose the angles are, why is it writing in red? Suppose the angles are x and y, so x degrees and y degrees. So the ratio of the measure of the two angles is 4 to 5. So they are complementary, by the way. So x plus y should be 90 degrees, and also the ratio is 4 to 5. So x out of y is 4 out of 5, and therefore we can write 5x is 4y. And this equation, if we are to multiply by 4, will become, we get 4x plus 4y equals 360. 90 times 4 is 360. So instead of 4y, I can put 5x, so I would get 4x plus 5x. So substituting, so from here we are doing, okay, so 4y plus 5x, and that equals 360, and therefore 9x should be 360, or x is 40 degrees. So if we have x is 40 degrees, see, what we can do is we can find what y will be. Of course y will be 50 degrees. So the smallest of the angle is 40 degrees, and what we can do is, it is increased by 10%, so we can say 40 plus 10% of 40, and that would be 40 plus 0.1 times 40, that is 44. So this will be 44 degrees, the smallest angle. So if this is 44 degree, other angle would be 90 minus 44, and that is 6 and 46 degrees. So then by what percentage must the larger measure be decreased? So it was 50 and it's now, so 46 degree, how do I write it? So 50, it was 50, now it's 46 degree. So we can say that the larger other angle, or the larger angle, and you see this is also larger angle. So to just clarify, so the larger angle has decreased by, so the decrease would be 50 minus 46 out of 50 times 100, and that would be 4 times 2, and that is 8. So the decrease, by what percent must the larger measure be decreased? That would be 8%.